रत्नैः कल्पितमासनं हिमजलैः स्नानं च दिव्याम्बरम् नानारत्नविभूषितं मृगमदा मोदार्कितं चन्दनं जाति चम्पक बिल्वपत्ररचितं पुष्पं च धूपं तथा दीपं देव दयानिधे पशुपते हृत्कल्पितं गृह्यता हृत्कल्पितं गृह्यता नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय सारिगा मगरि सपरि सनि पगरि सारि रिगारि सामि पगरि 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 सनि
ततता धीम 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 ता धी 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 तत्ता धी तत्ता धी धी तुम तुम नम नम तत्ता धी धी तुम तुम नम नम तत्ता धी 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 तुम 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 नम 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 तत्ता धी 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 तुम 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 नम 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 तम तरी तक जुम धिंग तरी तक जुम तरी किट तक ताम तरी किट तक ताम तरी किट तक तरी किट तक
शंकर शिव त्रैलोक्य शुभकर संध्या तांडव प्रिय पाहि मां भवभयहर शंभो शंकर शिव त्रैलोक्य शुभकर संध्या तांडव प्रिय पाहि मां भवभयहर शंभो शंकर शिव त्रैलोक्य शुभकर संध्या तांडव प्रिया पाहि मां भवभयहर शंभो शंकर शिवा
श्यामलं मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी उल्लकुसुमितद्रुमदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुर भाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे
Can we all rise and give a standing ovation for the most scintillating performance? We are eagerly awaiting the official announcement by Dr. Manish Vishnoi, who is the Asia head in the Golden Book of World Records, a pioneer USA-based company working in the field of talent management. Dr. Vishnoi is an engineering graduate, holds MBA degree along with PhD in management, and he has a great exposure and experience in the field of talent management. More importantly, he has willingly consented to be a part of this momentous occasion. Over to you, sir. We are waiting for your golden words.
Good afternoon. This is Dr. Manish Vishnoi. I am Asia Head, Golden Book of World Records. Golden Book of World Records is a US-based company, and anything which is unique, happening for the first time, or something which is very extraordinary, that is considered as world record in the Golden Book of World Records. And we had an application from the golden girl, Ramona. She was interested to have a dance marathon, but once she told that she is performing Bharatnatyam. It's not simple dance. Bharatnatyam is very difficult form of Indian classical dance, because it's not just the movement of hands and legs, which is generally a dance. Here, more important part is the expressions. Every word you have to express through your dance. So when she told that I want to have a dance marathon, she was saying that I would be able to do it for 7 days. We recommended that 5 days is sufficient for your world record. But still, she insisted that, yeah, I would be performing for 7 days. You can understand 7 days means 10,200 minutes. And to be very true, this much duration is not normal. In normal case, we cannot even awake for this much duration. If somebody say me to stand for a place for 10,200 minutes, I cannot. And I'm very sure 99% of you people cannot do it. But performing dance and dance like Bharatnatyam is almost impossible, but there are few people who are having ability to change the impossible things to possible. And one of them is Ramona. First of all, I'll thanks Father Praveen Martin. Because of his support, this world record was possible. Then the St. Aloysius University and all the friends, and I think many of the friends will be the fans in the future, because without the support of you all people, it was not possible, because if somebody is performing, then they also need the motivation. And I don't know how she got the power. It's not just physical power, it's mental power, it's emotional power, divine power. All this power required, only in that condition somebody can perform for 170 hours. 170 hours. So finally, checking all the guidelines and going through all the rules and regulation of Golden Book of World Records, Ramona has achieved the place in Golden Book of World Records. I'm officially announcing and giving the provisional certificate. After screening full video and all, the final certificate would be issued very soon. Congratulations to Ramona, their teacher, mother, father, and all of you. Thank you.
I now request our honorable jury member and all the other dignitaries to present this provisional certificate to Ramona, please.
किताब में नाम लिखाना है, खुद कर जाएंगे, हर रिकॉर्ड तोड़ेंगे, बनेंगे हीरो, हम सितारे बन जाएं। जोश आग सा दिल में जल रहा, हर कदम पर हौसला पल रहा, नजरें लक्ष्य पर चिपकी रहेंगी, हमेशा जीत का सपना कहेंगी। गोल्डन बुक में नाम अपना हम कर जाएंगे, हर रिकॉर्ड तोड़ेंगे, बनेंगे हीरो, हम सितारे बन जाएं। हर चुनौती को ठोकर में डाल दे, बेवजह डर को अब क्यों संभाल ले, हमारा जोश कभी थमने न पाए, आंधियों में भी राह अपनी बनाए। गोल्डन बुक में नाम अपना हम कर जाए।
Now on behalf of St. Aloysius deemed to be university, there is a felicitation program to be followed. May I request Ramona to kindly take the seat of honor, and may I request Father Rector to initiate the proceedings of honoring Ramona on behalf of St. Aloysius deemed to be university, and all the other dignitaries will join in this particular felicitation ceremony.
गोल्डन बुक में नाम अपना हम कर जाएंगे, हर रिकॉर्ड तोड़ेंगे, बनेंगे।
Looks like even sun decided to pause and electricity also decided to pause for a while. This was an astonishing achievement. Keep clapping because she deserves every bit of it. thank you all the dignitaries for doing the honors. We would like to place on record the magnificent and commendable role played by all our media friends in last 8 days, because you don't want to keep it till the end. Thank you, all the journalists, all the social media pages for highlighting Ramona's performance. We would like to hear a quick word of appreciation by our dignitaries. They have already requested that it will be a matter of few seconds. We'll start the proceedings with Father Vice Chancellor, followed by Ivan Sir, and then Father Rector.
Respected Miss Ramona Yvette Pereira, golden girl of our own St. Aloysius deemed to be University. Really, you made all of us proud today. 170 hours. You know, St. Aloysius is 145 years. She has crossed that with 170 hours and given us to think even higher. We never thought that she could do this, but our dreams are bigger than sky. And she has reached that heaven with the divine power. She has made it possible, and we truly embrace her as our own golden girl of Mangalore, golden girl of our state, golden girl of our nation, and also the world. So congratulations, Ramona. God bless you.
Congratulations, Ramona. Once again, all the best to you. ಅವರು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂದು ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆವು. 170 ಗಂಟೆಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಈ ದಾಖಲೆ ಮಾಡುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಇಡೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದ 6.5 ಕೋಟಿ ಜನರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಸಂತೋಷದ ವಾತಾವರಣ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಆನ್ ಬಿಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಟ್ ಯು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಶ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ ದಾಖಲೆ ನೀವೇ ಮುರಿಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನು ಮುರಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಅಷ್ಟು ಎತ್ತರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತು ಐ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಟ್ ದಿ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಲೋಸಿಯಸ್ ಡೀಮ್ಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಈ ಒಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಆದದ್ದು ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸಿತ್ತು ಸಾರ್ಥಕ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. ರೆಮೋನೋ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗಿಗೆ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಅವಕಾಶವನ್ನು ಈ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಐ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಟೀಸ್, ಫಾರ್ ದ ಮೆಲ್ವಿನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಲೋಸಿಯಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಪ್ರೌಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. Dr. Manish has said whatever he wants to say. He said that she has duly passed, duly achieved, and the sky is the limit. And you are model to all of us. You are model to all of us. We are all with you. The entire government of Karnataka is with you. Go ahead and achieve many more things in your life. Congratulations and all the best. Thank you. I must congratulate mother also, and also her guru. Both of you, mother is very happy today. She was every day sitting. She was sitting every day. I must congratulate. And whenever her performance is there in any event, mother is to come and help her. I have seen in my life. I have seen my own eyes. This is really, mother is no better than Ramona. So congratulations to you.
Ramona, sit down, please. Ramona, I have no words. Congratulations is a small word, but I tell you how happy we are. You can see all those who are gathered here. Your friends are excited, so excited. We feel as though we have achieved something. Don't you feel that? We feel as though we have done it for 170 hours. There are so many of you, their friends, they were there. Friends, there were so many people at night. So many of you came at night to, still cheer her up. That's not easy. I tell you, staying away from food and water is okay to some extent, but staying away from sleep, that many days to be sleep deprived, I can only wish you a long sleep for a long time, 2 days, 3 days. All this is a great achievement of those who have accompanied you also, your mother, your guru. what they have done is something tremendous. This is not just a performance. I want to tell you, it is not a performance, it was a meditation. It was a meditation. I don't think it would have been possible otherwise. You have done it, you have done us proud, and we will always, St. Aloysius will always remember you, Ramona, as one of our proud students, proud girls of St. Aloysius University. God bless you.